Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Are y'all ready to see the first wig that you don't have to cut the lace off of, you don't have to pluck, you don't have to bleach, you don't have to even put a parting in it because it's already there for you. You literally don't have to do anything to the wig before putting it on. Okay, so I'm just gonna prepare my hair for the wig because it's not gonna look good if I put it on my hair looking like this. My hair is not freshly braided and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush in my edges, because we want it to look presentable. But I'm really not gonna be doing too much for this wig, I promise you. So I'm gonna tie it down and let them dry, and while that's drying, I'm gonna show y'all the wig and whatever else I got in the box with it. So I just used one of my edge scarf to tie it down, and this will leave my edges laying flat. So the wig is from this company called Wig Fever, and this is my first time working with them. I have to say honestly that I was not disappointed with this wig, and I promise you won't be either. So this is the wig. It's 26 inches. It's like a wavy texture kind of hair, and in the box I also got some other stuff like this bonnet with their name or their logo on it, and a few other things which I'm going to show you in a minute. I got a pair of stocking cap, this tail comb. I'm guessing this is some extra piece of elastic band if you need it. I also got this edge scarf, and finally I got a bag that I could store my wig in when I'm not wearing it. And here's the wig, guys. Like I said before, the lace is already cut off. It's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-everything. All you gotta do is put this on your head. Get your hair ready and put it on. That's it. And there, I'm holding it up against my hand so you guys could, see that, the front of it looks so natural the way they plucked it. The hair also feels very good to the touch, it's nice and soft. I could run my fingers through it, no problem. Also, I think this is 180 density. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll get all that information for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a stocking cap on. I'm gonna put foundation on my stocking cap only because my hair isn't freshly braided, so my scalp isn't showing like it should. But I promise you this wig could be worn if your hair is freshly braided and your scalp is showing. So the foundation I'm going to use is this one by CoverGirl, and I'm going to be using my foundation brush to apply it. And I'm just going to lightly dab it on and spread it all over the front area only. And now guys, I'm ready to put the wig on. This is a up close of it, guys. I'm gonna have to fix this little part right here. I'm gonna use concealer, and that's because I put the stocking cap on. You could see where the stocking cap separated from my skin, so I'll fix that. But if I was wearing like a ball cap, or if I had my hair braided where my scalp was actually showing, then you wouldn't really notice that. I love it. For a wig straight out the box, I didn't have to do anything at all to it, and it looked this good. Yeah, they could get my money. I absolutely love this wig. So guys, I forgot to tell y'all in the beginning that it has an adjustable strap, and you can adjust it from both sides, so you don't have to worry about your wig sliding off. It will not be too big, I don't think so. So yeah, that's the reason why I took it back off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do my makeup, and I will be back, guys, to show y'all the overall look with hair and makeup. I'm back on camera, guys, and as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of concealer right where I had a little problem there, where the stocking cap meet with my scalp, and making it look more realistic. And then I'm gonna go ahead and curl just the front part of the hair because of how I want the hair to frame with my face. I'm gonna put 2 curls in the front, so I'm just gonna curl that little piece that you see me holding there, and then on the other side I'm gonna do another little piece like that. That's it. Here we are, guys, all done. Look at how beautiful and how flowy this hair is. Like I said, it's 26 inches, but I don't know, for some reason it looked longer than 26 inches to me. So I'm just enjoying this length right here. And here's a look at the back, guys. I absolutely love the waves that comes in it. I love how full and flowy it is. So at this point, I believe I just love everything about this wig, to be honest. Let me know, guys, what y'all think about it and if it's something that you would try, especially if you're a person that doesn't like to do all that extra just to get your wig on, and you like to be able to put it on when you want and off when you want. Again, the wig is from Wig Fever, and I'll leave all the information for it down in the description box, so definitely make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, guys. You know how we do. And if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!